First, we start with our first add-in, and let's see. We have a group of red balls and another group of red balls. We have 8 in our first group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's our 8, and which is the same as the plus sign, plus our second group of 3. 1, 2, 3. So we get 8 plus 3. Let's count them all together to see what our answer would be. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. Now let's move on to a second problem. 5 plus 9. We can go ahead and make a picture. We will choose to use hexagons. So we need to make a group of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus, which is also the same as and, 9. Let's make 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we have 5 plus 9 as our picture, and let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 9 equals 14. And that is our problem and the answer.